What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another dope video. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan that is slated for a US release sometime in August, but it already came out overseas June 20th. As you can see from the box here, standard Nike Air Jordan Retro 1 OG box, all black with the red Nike Air branding. Taking a look at the label, Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Air Black, and Tomatillo. Checking out inside of the box now, do have a stamp here on the top of the lid. And we also have that white and green sticker right here on the back of the box. Now let's go ahead and peel this paper back and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and check out the accessories that they come with. As you can see here, extra pair of laces in the lime green colorway. Taking out the shoe tree, comes as such. The style of shoe tree that it comes with is like this, with the two dents like that on the side. Go ahead and flip this back, and let's go over the details of the shoe. Starting at the toe box of the shoe, it's like a thick, hairy suede. It almost kind of gives me a vibe of like those black and gold 4s that came out not too long ago. It definitely feels like that. It has a little bit of color change to it, but not too much. Sliding up the tongue of the shoe, you can see that they replaced the Nike Air branding with the Zoom Air branding because, of course, we know that this midsole is not of the regular air unit that's used in most Nike OG highs. Flipping down the tongue as well, you can see the whole sock liner is just lime green everywhere. Nice little padding in it as well, so it definitely feels very, very comfortable. Got the Zoom Air right there on the insole. To the naked eye, it almost kind of seems like this would be some of that stiff black leather, but trust me, it's not. Once you feel it in hand, it almost kind of gives you a vibe of like a leather purse. It does not feel like what it looks like. It definitely has some give, and you definitely will be able to get some wears out of this joint right here. Personally, I do like the touch of the smooth leather because honestly, it almost kind of seems like every retro one that you get, it just comes with like a slight tumbled leather. So it is a nice touch to have this one come with pretty much that smooth, buttery leather. Heading over to the mid panel of the shoe, more of that Tomatillo green suede right here on the mid panel. It's hairy, it's soft to the touch. As you can see right here, it comes with like the little zoom flap right there on top of the mid panel. The Nike check is of a 3M silver with lime green thread, and it also has like a black leather trim wrapping around it. Also, the mid panel comes with 2 hits of lime green threading right here on the toe and on the heel. So once you throw these shoestrings in, it's just gonna like really pop. I do like that touch, unlike most Jordan retro ones where they throw in a pair of laces with the shoe and the color of the laces is really not apparent on the shoe to make it like pop. Now heading around to the heel of the shoe, more of that smooth black leather that we got just all throughout the shoe, and I'm really not mad at it. If you see the shoe in hand, you definitely will appreciate that smooth, subtle leather. It just makes the shoe look extra clean in my opinion. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same 3M check, same lime green threading, same smooth black leather. Now wrapping around the shoe, getting a nice little 360. Let's head on down. The outsoles come with this icy blue bottom, two-tone green and red. Me personally, I think this is probably one of the dopest outsoles ever on any pair of Jordan 1s, period. This outsole is actually placed on every Zoom Air of Jordan Retro 1s, and with them putting this lime green everywhere on this shoe, it definitely makes this shoe even better when you look at it from that lime green just throughout this whole upper of the shoe. This is a dope shoe to me. In my personal opinion, I do not know why it's being slept on, but when I first posted this picture, a lot lot of people was in that DM trying to see was I putting these on the site, which they will be. That about wraps it up for this review here. If you want to pick these joints up, you can pre-order them on fineline1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, fineline1721. And into the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.